How to block people on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To block people on Facebook, open Facebook. Here on top right corner of your screen you can see search icon, click on that. Now search for the people whom you want to block. After finding the profile whom you want to block, go to their profile. Now on right hand side of the message icon you can see 3 dots, click on that. Here you can see block icon, click on that. Again click on block. By doing this you will be successfully able to block people on Facebook. To block people from your friend list, go back to your Facebook home page. Now click on the hamburger icon located in top right corner of your screen and then click on your profile. Here below your profile you can see friend tab, click on that. Here you can see list of all of your Facebook friends, so simply find any profile that you want to block and then click on 3 dots located on right hand side of their profile. Here on the bottom of your screen you can see block icon, click on that. Again click on block. By doing this you will be successfully able to block people on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.